Well, hey guys, haven't really posted much in a while, but I posted a blaster video of me riding, but I never really showed what I was riding and what was it, and I'm gonna post that next after this video. But surprise, new dirt bike. Got rid of my YZ85 and went to an RM85. I didn't, the YZ needed some work, and I could have got it all done. I could have done it myself, but I felt like a newer bike was for sure needed. This is a 2006 RM85. Now, what I really like about this is it has tag handlebars. It came with an unbreakable. Let's see if we can get a video shot of that. It's an unbreakable. It has a fully new FMF shorty silencer and FMF fatty pipe. It's all sealed. This thing has those cool upgrades where you can use a wrench instead of a handpiece because those are annoying. For sure, new top ends in it. I'm pretty sure bottom end's been done in it because he said he bought 2 gasket kits and he used them all. So it's either that he just replaced them or whatever. He says he didn't race it, but clearly he raced it because he says he goes to the track but doesn't race. Yeah, it makes sense. And why would you have a number on it? Has new tires on it. It's all that. I'll get a little shot of me, see if I can get a shot of it starting for you guys. I don't know how this is gonna work. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Kind of got a lot of compression. It's good. Yep. Runs like a champ. Well, I should be posting a riding video of this. Just let me know what you think of the bike.